Hey there folks, this is Rocky, and I'm going to teach you a simple technique. Easy technique when cooking. So if you're cooking on the fly, you want to make something quick and easy, this is how you do it. Alright folks, so the simple technique, you're in a rush, you have to get somewhere, you only have limited time, but you want to have a potato for breakfast, or make potatoes. So what you do, you got your bowl, potato. We're going to cut this up. I would normally cut a potato. In this case, I'm going to cut it into halves, like so. Then we're going to go down the length of the potato. That's right. We're going to cut this bad boy up. Just like so. Now with the potato, we're going to go ahead and put it in this little bowl. Should all fit in just fine. Now this technique will also work for dinner, lunch. It's an easy way. It's easy and it's affordable, quick and easy if you have somewhere that you need to go. So let's go ahead and cut you up. Doesn't matter if it's perfect. It's all going to the same place. And sometimes if you like the skin, you can leave the skin on, folks. Alright, cut it up. Boom. Last one. Half. Down. Slice it. All into the bowl. I think we're going to need a bigger bowl. That's just way too small. So let's take you. Let's dump you in here. Boom. Just like so. Next thing we do, take this, take some butter, right about there. That's fine. Cut the butter. Butter goes on the top. Now if you want a little truffle oil, this is a little basil flavored. Here you are. If you want a little truffle oil, you can add the oil now before it goes into the microwave. Because yes, this is the microwave technique. Okay. And then we're going to put this in the microwave. And it's going to go in the microwave for a few moments. Well, we usually put it in about 5-6 minutes until it is soft. Now, you can add cheese if you want cheese. You can add your egg. You can add whatever else you want to this that you feel fit. Because this is easy, it's affordable, quick, fast, and you can make instant potatoes or breakfast casserole. Just watch this miracle chain. Alright, it's gone about 5 minutes in the microwave, so that's pretty cool. What we're going to do is we're going to turn this into something with an egg. We're going to add some seasoning and flavoring to it, so it's going to be popping. So as it's cooking in the microwave, we got chicken, and we got some cheese here. Now let's go ahead and let's cut up our cheese. We're going to add this on top towards the end. Okay, cheese is ready. Actually, I will use this small bowl. I'll go ahead and put the cheese in here. Now, we have leftover fried chicken. So we're going to go ahead, get the egg out of the way, go ahead and deskin this chicken. We want the meat. fried chicken. Skin's good. Fattening, but good. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut this chicken up. Okay. All right. So everything's ready to go. Now we'll wait on what's cooking in the microwave. So when you're 1 minute out, pull it out. Cheese goes in. We're going to shake it. Get the sloppiness. That's okay. That's good. Now we're going to add some seasoning. Let's get a fork. We're going to go ahead and mix this up. This is also how we test. Do you see the consistency? If it falls apart, it's soft. Everything's good to go. So now we're going to add the egg. And then we're going to add the bits of chicken. We try to use all bits as possible. Just like so. Boom. Alright, back in the microwave it goes. We're going to put this back in the microwave for a good another 2 to 3 minutes. Oh, that's what it looks like now. So 2 to 3 minutes back in the microwave. One thing I forgot to mention. You don't want the egg to overcook in the microwave, so what you're going to do is you're going to stop it every so often just to check the egg, because the last thing you want is a big kabloom and the egg explodes in the microwave, folks. You do not want that. That's a ñata. Niente. No. You don't want that. So, it should be ready in about 1 minute and 52 seconds. 1 minute 49 seconds. I'll be ready. I'll show you when it's done. So it came out of the microwave. Okay. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to get this a good stir. Once it's done, mixed up, you got yourself an instant breakfast bowl. So let's go ahead and get this a good stir. Going to cut the egg up, mix it around, cheese, butter. Boom. I think we got it. And my golly, friends, you got yourself an instant breakfast bowl. Booyah. Booyah. If you wanted, you can add some seasoning, say like Old Bay, everyone's favorite friend. And you are good to go. Breakfast bowl. Quick, easy, awesome. Well, you can make this at home, quick, easy, on the go. So this is Rocky Red Panda signing out for this week's food review. This week's Techniques Cooking. That's right. And until next week, peace out.